Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Huawei Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. And since I'm in Europe, apparently nowadays we need to use the separate application called Huawei Health Europe. So I will open this one, but I believe if you're in North America or somewhere else than Europe, you can use the normal Huawei Health app. So I'm gonna use the Europe version. And once you open the app, you will need to tap on devices. And here you will see the list of devices, and on it there should be Huawei Watch D2. Tap on it to select it. And on this page, find the More Options icon in the top right corner. Tap on Unpair Device and tap on Unpair. Now we need to go to Settings on our iPhone, so let's open the Settings. In Settings, we need to find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you will see Huawei Watch D2 on the list of devices. Tap on the info icon next to it and tap on Forget this device and Forget device. Once it disappears from here, you can close the settings. Check this box in the Huawei Health app, tap on OK. And the watch will disappear from the list of devices. And now we can close the Huawei Health application. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.